Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to speech-to-text in Google Docs. First, open a new or existing Google Docs document in your web browser. Next, locate the Tools menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down options, select Voice Typing. You'll then see a small microphone icon appear, usually on the left side of your document. This indicates that the voice typing tool is now active and ready for your input, making it simple to begin dictating your text directly into your document with just one click. To start dictating, simply click the microphone icon. Before you begin, make sure to select your desired language from the drop-down menu located just above the microphone. Google Docs supports over 100 languages, offering great flexibility. Speak clearly and at a natural, moderate pace, as if you were talking to another person. When you need to pause or finish, just click the microphone icon once more. This will stop the recording, allowing you to review or edit your transcribed text as needed. For the best accuracy, try to speak in a quiet environment, as background noise can sometimes interfere with recognition. Articulate your words clearly and avoid speaking too quickly or mumbling. Remember to verbally state punctuation marks, such as period, comma, question mark, or new paragraph to format your text correctly. If the system makes a mistake, don't worry, you can easily correct it manually by typing. Taking a moment to review and edit your text after dictation will ensure your document is polished and precise. Beyond basic dictation, you can explore advanced voice commands for formatting, like saying select all or bold that to apply styles. If you encounter issues, first ensure your microphone is properly connected and working. Also, check your web browser's settings to confirm that Google Docs has permission to access your microphone. Sometimes, using a high-quality external microphone can significantly improve the accuracy of the transcription, especially if you're in a less-than-ideal acoustic environment. These steps will help you troubleshoot common problems and enhance your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.